Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and get right on into this. So you're here for one reason and one reason only. You want to find out how to make money with Craigslist. You done heard about it before, but you just haven't had that success yet. You haven't gotten over the hump of actually seeing any kind of money. So just using this right here, I'm gonna show you how you can make money the exact same way I do, for free. It's not gonna cost you anything, it's just gonna cost you a little bit of time. And if that's okay with you, then pay attention to this video. So let's go ahead and get right on into it. First thing is you wanna have a Craigslist account. Second thing is, the way you're gonna make your money is you're gonna use this right here. You're gonna have this app. It's called Dosh. So I'm gonna show you how both of them correlate together to make money. So like I said, get a Craigslist account. They got videos up on YouTube that show you how to do it step by step. Second thing is, after you get a Craigslist account, you want to get you want to have a prepaid or you want to have a bank issued debit card. If you already bank with somebody, that's cool. Nothing's gonna happen to your debit card. I do this plenty of time. Trust me, believe me, nothing's gonna happen. If you still don't feel comfortable, you can just go get your green dot card from Walmart or my vanilla one card. Put like 25 bucks on it. I think that's the minimum, and then you should be good to go. And the third thing is you want to have a Dosh account, this right here, and I'll have a link in the description or in the comments below showing how you can get that. If you're getting value from this video, go ahead and sign up through me, and I'll give you further instructions on how to make this shit work. So first thing is, like I said, got your Craigslist account set up. What you want to do, if you're on your mobile phone, what you want to do is you want to go on airplane mode. You want to turn airplane mode on and then switch it off. Why? Because it alters the IP address. It kind of changes it, sort of. I kind of heard this from like a guru or whatnot. So just do it. I do it plenty of times and it works. So turn your airplane mode on, then switch it off. After you do that, second thing is you want to go incognito. So I'm on my Mac right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click right here, go incognito, and I'm gonna go to Craigslist. Come on now. Yeah, go incognito on your phone or on your laptop. Simple to do. Now I'm in Birmingham. That's where I live currently, and the next largest city in my area, in my opinion, is Atlanta. So this is what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a posting, right? So I'm gonna click on create a posting. I'm gonna click on City of Atlanta, gig offer. I want to hire somebody. And this kind of goes back to why I was saying you want to put 25 bucks on that card, because the larger the city, the more money it's going to cost. The smaller the city, the less it's going to cost. So some small cities may charge $3. I've seen some charge 5, 6. You know, it just varies. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna click domestic gigs. Now you can choose creative or events, talent. I get the most success from domestic gigs. I'm gonna click on that, and right here I'm gonna choose I'm gonna put in I spelled that wrong, my bad. And behind that you can put like a money emoji. It'll kind of stand out in your results. Second thing is I'm gonna put, and you put in your zip code, and let me go down here and copy this. This is like some pre-written text that I had before. Just gonna copy that, paste it. Okay, see, that's the opening right there. Now after this I'm gonna put I put that there so that people can get a better feel for who I am, because I mean, to be honest, a lot of people just don't trust the internet these days. They feel like it's a lot of scamming and a lot of fuckery going on, which it is, but you want to, you just want people to feel more comfortable about taking advantage of this opportunity and, just trusting you, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I kind of put Birmingham, Alabama, so they can get some kind of background from me. Okay, so this is the rest of the text. Let me change this. It's 2K19 right now. And this right here, Google number, you can go get you a Google number. It's free if you don't feel comfortable using your real number. For the pay, I'll put 100. That'll grab people's attention a little bit more. Put my email. Okay. Put your email twice. You don't have to select neither one of these. Phone number, you can put your Google number right there. A lot of times I'll leave it empty. Sometimes I put my first name, middle, last initial, and you want to click CL Mail Relay. All right, so let me go down a little bit further. Let me delete this. This isn't really necessary. This isn't necessary neither. Unless you want to put it there, it's optional. Click continue, and they're just going to show you the map of the zip location that you put in. And right here, what you're going to do next is, hold on, let me move this out the way. What you're going to do next is place a photo of you, because like I said, you want to get people comfortable with you. You want to show that, hey, I am who I am. I'm willing to put my face out on the internet, But if you don't feel comfortable, then you don't have to do it. But me personally, I don't have a problem with it, because a lot of folks, they know who I am, and, they know what I stand for. So this is the text right here. I'm still incognito. You see the black label up here at the top. This is how much it's going to charge me. This is my photo. This is the body right here. Compensation $100. Got the Google number right here. So when people see this ad, they're gonna text 2K19 money to the Google number. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna hit publish, and you'll get an email. Okay, so the email that I just now got, I see it on my phone right now. The email that I got. Let me see if I can pull it up. Hold on. Let me click right here. I'm gonna go to let me see. Let me go to my mail. Just bear with me now. I ain't trying to make this video too long. It's almost over with. Just hold your horses. It'll be worth it now. I'm giving you the real deal. So that way, you can make some money in your downtime, and, you can just have you some nice cash flow. Okay, so let this pull up. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe button also. Let this video load. God damn, this is taking forever. Oh boy. Well, while this loading up, I'll tell you what. What you also need, like I said, the third thing that you're going to need is you're going to need a Dosh account. I'm going to leave a link in the description and in the comments below. You're going to click on the link, follow the steps, get you a Dosh account, and this is how you're going to make your money. So basically, Dosh is it's a free app. It pays you cash back each time you shop at select retailers. As you can see right here, it's giving an example. You can go and check out the site for more details if you want to. It's dosh.cash. That's the web address, and it's completely legit. So I don't think there's a age limit. I don't think there is. Shouldn't be, but you get Dash. It's free. There's no charge. Won't ever be charged for anything. And each time you refer somebody to Dash, you'll get paid for that referral. So let me go back. God damn. Okay, so here we go right here. And as you can see, I can just go down the list. My computer getting a little slow right now because it's recording. I can't scroll down like I want to. Let me see. Yeah. So yeah. You see what's going on. You see what's going on. So if you want, if you want to get like this, then click the link below. That's all I'm gonna tell you. Click the link below. You'll be on your way also. So let me go back up. Hold on. Computer acting slow as hell. Damn. Click the link below, and I'll give you the training on what you need to get this thing kicked off the right way. So when you get your email, you're gonna click on it. And then you're gonna click on this link right here. And it's gonna take you to a checkout page. Okay, so that account been placed on hold. Okay, so let me go back. My bad. Let me go back. I got another account. So basically, the link that you supposed to click on in your email is gonna take you to a checkout. What you're gonna do is you're gonna fill out all your information. You're gonna put in your credit card information. Make sure that it matches everything, your zip and all that, your shipping address. Make sure it matches the shipping address. And after you do that, after you get the confirmation that the posting is live, what you're gonna do is you're gonna copy the link to the live posting. You're gonna click that. You're gonna copy it, and then you're gonna open up a new web page on your phone or on your laptop. So basically, you would do it like this. Let me show you. Let me give you a better example. You're gonna copy that link. Let me find my posting, and I'll give you a much better example of what I'm talking about. So okay, here we go right here. I posted this maybe 4 or 5 days ago, something like that. I mean, you can copy this. It doesn't matter. Okay, you're gonna copy the web address for the page, right? You're gonna copy that whole web address. Once you get the email from Craigslist, it's gonna take you directly to the page. So what you're gonna do is open up a new window. You're gonna paste it. All right. Then you're gonna open up one more window. Then you're gonna paste it again. Now you're gonna let those windows stay open. Let those windows stay open for at least 10 minutes. At least 10 minutes before. Don't close them out. Let them stay open at least 10 minutes. And then next thing you know, your phone's gonna be ringing off the hook, or blowing up off the hook from texts or calls from your ad. So that's how you. Oh yeah, hold on. Give me one more second. It's something else that I missed. Yeah, once somebody texts you. Once somebody texts the number, the Google number, you're going to send them. This is what I normally send. Hold on. Let me pull up. Let me give some examples. Okay. Yeah. This right here. This body of text. I don't know if you can see that. You can copy it. So basically, this is how I got it formatted. So as you can see, download this app. You put in your Dash referral link right there, and then you just put in the rest of this right here or whatever. Of course, this number may be different. It may be $5, it may be 10, it may be 15. It'll just vary. and put in the second step right here. And then, you know, once they follow those steps, then you'll get email notifications. You'll get email notifications showing, you know, that person has joined. So that's pretty much it, guys, and I'm gonna cut this video short. So, like I said, follow these steps. Simple and easy to do. That's how you make money with Craigslist. Little to no money, just a little bit of time, make you a few $100s a week. If you got anything from this video, you know, drop a like. Well, do that anyway. Shit, like the video, subscribe. Comment what you want to see next, and like I said, the link to the DOS is going to be in the description below, and that's it. We're going to holler back.